How to log in SouthWest credit card account. If you want to log into SouthWest credit card account, simply open a default web browser in your device. Start by searching SouthWest credit card account login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says SouthWest account manage. You'll be directed to the main homepage section. In this screen, you'll be presented with prompts that you have to fill correctly. You'll be asked your username and password there. Enter them precisely in their unique namespaces. And then make sure to check right on Remember Me. Finally, tap on Sign In, and you can also tap on Token Link, which you can use to log in. As you can see, there are plenty of options like Forgot Username/Password, and you can even sign up for an account from the sign up link. And this was everything you need to know about logging into SouthWest credit card account online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.